Everytown Regional School District Committee, I want to thank you for inviting me here to testify regarding the body mass index screening in the school district. My name is Deborah Gonzalez, and I'm an anthropologist for the town of Everytown Village, and have taken this task of presenting my testimony to you very seriously. The purpose of this testimony is to help policy to be implemented and changed for the way that BMI screening is reported to the families of New Jersey. The inclusion of the BMI screening in the school district for Everytown will help in reporting child overweight and obesity findings to the guardians. The screening is proposed to be done at the child's pediatrician's office to alleviate the added workload to the district school nurse. The screening done at the pediatrician's office will also allow the child some privacy during the screening to lessen any bullying from classmates that may see the child being measured or overhear what the measurements might be. This will ensure that information is kept private between the family and the physician, and also those that will provide further assistance and referrals to the children at the school. The family will first be presented with the option of allowing the screening to be done with the intent of reporting the measurements to the Everytown Regional School District, as well as why the information is important to the local policymakers. The family will be given the BMI report so that they can ask questions while in the doctor's office. From there, the physician will then give the family a copy of the questionnaire, as well as provide a copy for the school to go with the child's physical. And depending on the findings, the referral process will begin. If the family is interested in further counseling and explanation, they would then be referred to the child's school for any additional assistance. During the explanation of the report, which should take place at the child's school by the school nurse, any language barriers should also be addressed before the family comes in for counseling and explanation. Growing up with parents who immigrated from other countries to the United States, I do remember the difficulties that they faced with language and understanding certain information that was discussed with them regarding my siblings and myself. So oftentimes we ended up having to do some of the translation, but later in the schools, they offered the translation, and my parents became more active in the schools to learn what it is that we needed to do, and also in workshops. So what I ask is that the committee please see this from the perspective of the guardians, especially those that are disadvantaged in the areas of Everytown, who may not speak the language but may be motivated to want to help their children and be part of these programs. So if you will please consider that during policy making. Thank you.